Hey guys, I'm here with my friend Matt and I'll be teaching him some Pangasinan words.
Kabusin ed siako. Sikayo. Oh, I can't do this, Gerald.
Good morning. Kabosan ed sikayo.
Kabusan ed sikayo.
Yeah. That wasn't too bad.
Okay.
The next one down is, what's your name? So if I ask you like, I'd say Antoy ngaran mo, and then you would say Shaksi.
What is that?
So if I tell you
How did you say that second word?
Antoy ngaran mo, and then you would say I am.
Siak si mat.
So if I go Antoy ngaran mo,
Siak si mat.
Taga-ak ed.
Taga-ak ed. Is that?
And then you play the name of your place.
Okay.
So if I say taga-iner ka,
Taga-ak ed Yupun.
Wow.
And Betel?
Yeah.
That's a word. And Petang?
I'll do this one. It's mabayag ka, which is you're slow.
Where is this?
But in other like Filipino languages, it means you've got big balls.
Yeah, okay. Mabayag ka.
So if you tell someone,
I'm
Matt, you're slow, it can mean Matt, you've got big balls. Try that one. Go have a shower.
My name's Kala.
Say it after the other one. So go have a shower. You stink. So my name is.
My name's Kala and Baguette Ka.
You're crazy. Try that one.
You're crazy. Alright. Atiris Ka.
Say it with confidence.
Atiris Ka. Shaksi Mat Atiris Ka.
Oh, try that one. Did you fart?
Did you? Akatot? Akatot?
Yeah.
Ka. Okay. Shaksi Mat Akatot Ka.
That's it.
I'm pretty sure the basic stuff's harder.
You reckon? Those are the key ones though. Now that's it. Well done, Matt. He'll be coming to a town near you soon. Let's go. It wasn't so bad.
Shaksi Mat Akatot Ka.